Hi kids, I am the king of fruits. Today I will show you 20 amazing fruits and their names.
Hi kids, I am Apple. I am red, round, and super sweet.
Hello kids, I am Watermelon. I am big, green, and super juicy.
Hello friends, I am Banana. I'm long, yellow, and full of energy.
Kids, I am Coconut. I am hard outside and cool inside. Hi friends, I am Grapes. I am small, tasty, and full of fun.
Hi friends, I am Pineapple. I am spiky outside and sweet inside.
Hey buddies, I am Orange. I am juicy, round, and full of sunshine.
Hello children, I am Lemon. I am yellow, sour, and super fresh.
Hey kids, I am Papaya. I am soft, sweet, and full of health.
Hey kids, I am Mango. I am yellow, juicy, and the king of fruits.
Hey children, I am Strawberry. I am red, sweet, and full of love.
Hey kids, I am Blueberry. I am tiny, blue, and super tasty. Hi buddies, I am Tangerine. I am small, orange, and full of juice. Hi friends, I am Kiwi. I am brown outside and green inside.
Hi children, I am Tomato. I am red, juicy, and full of flavor.
Hello kids, I am Pear. I am green, tasty, and full of juice.
Hey friends, I am Peach. I am soft, sweet, and really yummy.
Hi buddies, I am Jam Cherry.
Hello buddies, I am Muskmelon. I am round, soft, and sweet.
Hello friends, I am Green Apple. I am crunchy, tangy, and fresh.
Hi kids! Subscribe to my channel, Learn in the Holidays. Thanks for watching me.